What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a guan, how you doing out there my people, my viewers and my splendacious, fabulous, amazing-acious, beautify subscribers. What is going on? And my silent watchers, big up on yourself, enough respect, welcome in. Thank you for your watch the video. Guys, me always say, I hope you not feel no pain. Guys, listen me good now. Don't wait until you feel any pain, you go check the doctor. Go to the doctor at least once a month, twice a month, 3 times a month, or at least every year. Because remember, things build up in your body where you don't even know about. Big up, R.I.P., rest in peace, Wacky from Port Antonio. Because me see him pan Drizzy and him look fine, him look alright, only if you know there is a bump, and him check the bump, only to know the bump is cancerous, and because him wait too long, him lose him 3 points. Rest in peace, General, rest in peace. Yo, anyway guys, do some wellness check for your friends and family. Make sure everything is okay. Domestic violence, guys, if you cannot afford to lose it, leave her alone and don't give her your money and expect you own her. You don't own her. So whenever time the relationship goes sour, walk away or talk about it. Get counseling because you don't want to lose your 3 points and you don't want to lose them, make nobody lose them 3 points. You go to prison for the rest of your life. Yes, straightforward, just as it is. Again, guys, do the wellness check. Make sure your friends and family are all right. If today your birthday, happy birthday to you today. If tomorrow your birthday, happy birthday when it come. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, today, me go talk and cook up some escovitch shrimp. In other words, me go do it that way there. You know, saute the things. And then just throw in the shrimp and cook it over with some rice. Yeah, man. So, me go do that and go and talk. We don't know. And make you see what I go on, make you know what I go on and all that. You see what I say? So, guys, me have some fish seasoning. Me not use no shrimp seasoning. Me I use some fish seasoning. Me have my onion. Me have my sweet pepper, scallion, garlic, carrot and all that over there. So, and them there's something I use. So me just go on, you know, cut up this onion. Guys, me wash them. Me wash everything already. Just cut them up now. So what I'm using today is red, yellow, and green sweet pepper. I don't use the orange one, because the orange one give you a different flavor. Guys, as me do this, as I always tell you, be careful of the knife. If you don't know how to use it the way you see I'm using it, don't do it. Because so then now guys, I go get the scallions. I like to cut off some of these sometimes. Put them one side for Then I got my thyme. Me love thyme, so me use a whole heap of thyme. Yes, guys, so all this now is what we're going to use along with the carrot. Just scrape it a little bit. Because I want to saute everything in a one. Yeah. Wash off the tomato. So remember, guys, every time you buy something from the store, before you use it, wash it off. Make sure you wash it off clean, because you have no idea what and where it really was. The tomatoes, I go cut them out not too small, because I want to have them cook out in the pot. So that's why I'm cutting them this way. So there we go, guys. So there we go. That's what it is. So guys, I done cut up. So what I should have done is I should have the pot warming before I finish. So right now, I just turn the pot on, and then I'm going to show you how we move from there. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the pot ready for the rice, because it's some white rice, white rice with, in other words, some seasoned rice with shrimp, so that's how we go cook this food today. But guys, I want to really do, what I go on, What I go on, while me do this cooking, me want to have a conversation with you all, yeah? A nice conversation. Yeah, what really I go on? Guys, while I'm doing this, I want to have a conversation with you all. The conversation I want to have with you is here's the question. This is a conversation with a question behind it. Guys, remember when we as Jamaican, we love to wash the rice when we are cook, yeah? Yeah, man, we love to wash the rice when we are cook, because when we see them make rice, them walk on it and stand up on it. So we like to wash the rice before we cook it. So me I wash the rice wash off the white, and then you wash it another time, see if you can get off all of the white out of the pot. Yeah? Yes, so that's how me I do right now. And then yes, so that done. Anyway, guys, so the question I would like to ask while me I cook some food is, what would you do if you come into the United States, have your husband or your wife, and all of a sudden your husband or your wife is threatening you with divorce, or keep telling you about him go get you deported, which is one of the biggest thing right now. Everybody is telling you about them go get you deported and all those kind of things. Yeah, that's the biggest thing right now. Biggest thing. As soon as you and your partner in any kind of argument, worse them know say your paperworks not put in yet, or put in or need their help. The thing is, what What do you do if your husband threaten you badly? Treat you badly and threaten deportation. Yeah? Threaten you with deportation in the US. What would you do? Remember, you are not alone. Remember that. You are not alone. There are legal protection and resource available to help you stay in the United States and protect yourself from abuse. Remember, do you listen to what I just said? Listen, let I read again. You are not alone. There are legal protection and resource available to help you stay in the US and protect yourself from abuse. Yes, there is. A lot of people don't understand that not because somebody sent for you in the United States, they own you. They do not own you. The law of the United States is telling you that once you bring somebody in this country, you're responsible for them for 10 years. You're not supposed to abuse them. You're not supposed to do anything that's bad to them during that year. Many people forget about that and believe that they can do you just about anything. But just so you know, there is ways to get around all those things. And today, while I'm cooking and more series coming, I'm going to help each and every one of you out there who need the help, who want the help, who is afraid of going to find the help. I'm going to be talking to you about these things. Big up yourself, AK. Guys, I want you to take a time out and think about AK coming in this country. Guys, I have the shrimp over here. Them are thaw out. So right now, them thaw out and done. So I go throw off the water off of them. So that means them all right. So me I say, so we are going labrish and cook. Yeah, man, we are going labrish and cook, you know. So let's take AK in particular. AK come in the United States by way of she married to a United States citizen, Mackie, yeah? And what Mackie did was start to treat her bad. Yeah, Mackie started to treat her bad. The treat that Mackie treating her bad was all of a sudden trying to, because the relationship didn't work out, Mackie tried to get her deported. He tried everything. They try everything. They go as far as send letter to immigration about AK. Letter to immigration about AK. Now, you not living with AK, but you send a letter to the immigration stating that she is the part of the problem why the relationship mash up. You imagine that? Can you imagine somebody do that? So that's what happened. And have you heard? Maybe you already heard that they pull AK out of line. People been saying that. Well, they pull other people out of line, but sometimes when you are in front of the immigration, the question the immigration asks you or what the immigration tell you, you know exactly what happened. Now, my viewers and subscribers, when you're in the United States of America, there is a lot of things the United States of America have that is there set to help you move forward. The only thing is, some of us, a lot of people don't know about these things. Yeah, a lot of people don't know about these things. Guys, you know it's shrimp, so because it's shrimp, I'm using butter. Yeah, I'm using butter, guys, so. Yeah, I'm using butter because, you know, the butter give that shrimp a better taste more than the oil. So I go do this to just to make that butter melt faster than just put it in there by itself. Then what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to add the seasoning in there. Just go saute this, guys, and so, guys, while I'm sauteing these veg over here, I'm looking about the rice. Okay, it's good taste. I'll drop a few pimento in there. Put a little pimento in. So yes, guys, so I'm gonna go saute down these. So guys, while I'm sauteing down these, I'm going to, you know, just continue my talking. But yes, guys, a lot of people don't know that there is a lot of things in the US that the US itself give you to protect yourself. Not because you bring somebody to the US, you can just do anything you can do to them. It also says prioritize your safety. Yeah, if you listen to what it says, if you are in immediate danger, call 911 right away. Your safety is more important, right? It's more important. Is a more important step, and police report can be important evidence in legal procedures. Listen to what I'm saying now. Listen, good. Know your legal rights. Yeah? So not because you come here and a person is treating you a certain way, know your legal rights. A spouse or a partner cannot. Listen, you know. A spouse or partner cannot legally deport you. Did you just hear what I said? A spouse or partner cannot legally deport you. Simply because they are abusive or unhappy. Even if they are a US citizen or green card holder, they do not have the authority to remove you from the country. Lord Jesus have mercy. Let me saute me things. Wanna hear that a while ago? Huh? Wanna hear that a while ago? Do you all hear that? They don't have that right. Seek legal protection. Seek legal protection. VAWA. VAWA. The Violence Against Women Act in the United States is a big thing. Offer a way to obtain a green card if you are a victim of abuse by a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, spouse, or partner. Lord Jesus, have mercy. Whoa! People, we're ready for them, you know. What me say? We're ready for them. All the abusers. We're ready for them. We're ready for them. We're ready. Yes. So, VAWA, Violence Against Women Act in the United States. You can go to those people and they'll help you to obtain a green card if you are a victim of abuse. If you are a victim of abuse by a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. VAWA applies to all gender, not only women, all gender, every single person. Men, woman, everybody. And it does not business with whatever you want to do. All them want to know is that you are a man or a woman or a human being, and they'll help you. Even a child, even child can apply. Yep, even child can apply. Abuse can be physical, emotional, verbal, or financial abuse, or anything named abuse is abuse. You do not need proof of physical violence to qualify. You do not need any bruise here or abuse there to qualify. You must show your spouse is a US citizen or a green card holder. You live together at some point. So even if you and the person is not together, but you have proved that you and him or she were living together. The relationship was bona fide. Hold on. Me pronounce it right. Bona fide. Meaning genuine. Yeah, genuine. Me said that wrong. You are a person of good moral character. Yeah. So if you're a bad person, it not gonna work. Them go ask question. You was doing bad. So that's the thing. Number 4. Get an immigration attorney. Let me check for my phone. I saw to something. Yep. So guys, remember. That's really good. That's good and good. It's a get an immigration attorney. Even if you have never applied for status. Even if you have never applied for status, consult a qualified immigration lawyer to explore your option. They can file a VAWA self-petition for you. So you see, guys, there is ways and means out there that can help you. Help you secure a restraining order, guide you through USCIS or court procedure, protect your case from being delayed or denied. So guys, make we talk a little bit. Guys, I can't find this pot cover, you know. I don't know where pot cover there. So, you know what? I can't have time to go look for the pot cover now. So, back in the days in Jamaica, we use plate cover pot. That me I do. So, guys, we could talk about it. So, guys, as you see, there is ways and means that you can protect yourself in the United States from abuse, and when you're abused, and if the person want to tell you, say, him go get you deported. Because remember, him can't get you deported. Him can't deport you. Yeah, him can't deport you. That's one thing you need to learn. Him cannot deport you. Let's continue. There is documents that they're going to ask you for. And to each and every one of you out there, every single one of you out there who is watching this video and who have a friend who is going through this situation, keep records. Hold on a little bit. Let me make one story, then me come back. Guys, it'll get there. Keep records, not dash away nothing. Keep records. Listen, the records that is very important to keep. Police report. Sometimes you claim say you love the man, even though the man a treat you bad, but you don't want to call the police and you don't want to tell the police nothing. Number one, police report, because if somebody abuse you and I treat you bad, the authority believe you should contact the police. Correct? Okay. If you not contact the police, I can't tell you what to do after that. That's up to you. Medical records. That simply means stress. And you have to go talk to a counselor or the person hit you and you have to go to your doctor, keep all the records. Even if you go talk to the counsel about mental health or stress and because it caused by these relationships where you're in a abusive, keep that. Nowadays, everybody wants to tell you what they want to tell you. Pan phone. Keep every single text message, emails, everything. Keep everything. Then now, witness statement. Somebody who you talk to about it, somebody who see it, somebody who know about it. It need all those things. These can, listen what it says, these can strengthen your case for protection and immigration relief. Many of you never know that, don't? Many of you did not know all these things. But don't worry yourself. Rodney, you don't know lifestyle. Mr. Real Talk will give you all the information. We're not afraid of nobody around here. We're going to protect each and every one of you. You also can contact local resource where you live. The state that you live in always have their local resource that you can contact. National Domestic Violence Hotline, which is 1-800-799-7233. Confidential 24/7. Local shelter where you can search and they'll help you. They'll bring you in and put you somewhere to stay and nobody will know where you're at. Nobody. Legal aid. Legal aid will help you also. Yes, legal aid is good to help you. And it says, consider a restraining order. A restraining order can help protect you from further abuse or may be required for certain immigration protection. So you see what I'm talking about? Listen to what I'm saying. Follow these things and you will be okay. Bottom line, you have legal option to stay in the U.S. Even if your spouse is abusive, start by ensuring your safety, then consult an immigration attorney to explore VAWA or other protection. You do not have to face the deportation threat alone. You just hear me just say a while ago. You don't have to face it alone. Me there, to give you the information if you don't want to find it. Hold on. So guys, yes, see? Everything now sauteed down really good. Yeah? Really good. So now what we go do is, guys. So guys, this is a shrimp, but I'm not going to do it just like that. I go do this, season the shrimp, yeah? Yeah, man, we go season the shrimp and make sure the shrimp itself seasoned and have some seasoning on it. Because you know, that's one just, yeah, so, right there. And guys, because of shrimp, you know, we don't really want to just put the seasoning on it too long. You know, you don't want it the taste now we're different. You just want to have a little bit of coating of seasoning on it. So guys, remember, you know, I saute some shrimp. Kind of a escovitch style. Kind of, not direct. You know, just cook and go, make up your little thing. So, see there, guys. See there. So, guys, you go. And we never get no. I don't like use the cook shrimp. So this now is shrimp them all cook down. Then what I go do is I go put an extra piece of butter in. So that means, guys, see, it look pretty, don't? Colorful. Yeah, man. So saute them shrimp, let them cook nice. So guys, I go put a little piece more butter in there, along with some little bit more black pepper. And then what I go do, after I put the butter in, I go cover it and just let it cook. You know, because I don't want to cook it too long. But, you know, when you cover it, once you cover it, then it will just get them shrimp all cook really nice and easy. So that's what we go do, guys, right there. Guys, the smell, whoa, the smell from the pot already, guys. Man, me I tell you. So guys, that's something where me I talk about, you know, the shrimp I cook, the rice, what? Guys, the rice almost done. Yeah, man, the rice almost done, guys. But guys, to be honest with you, let us have this kind of dialogue, yeah? Let us have this kind of talk. It is very important to understand your rights in the United States. There's a lot of rights that you have, even though you did not born in the United States. So to me, guys, is the more you try to learn and the more you get the informations, is the best you can be in the United States. As a matter of fact, in any country. Even in Jamaica, there is rules and regulation. But guys, when it comes on to domestic violence, and when it comes on to your partner, your spouse or your partner treating you bad, and the most thing them love to do, them love to tell about them are going to get you deported. We can use AK Alicia Kim situation in a lot of things, because remember, AK was threatened about deporting her and all these kind of things. And then you have people on the social media come out and I say, deport her, get her deported, get her this, get her that, when none of them know that AK brains is not as dumb as theirs. AK is not a person who just go get up and tell you our business. AK is a person who is going to sit down and do her business behind closed door, and you don't know until she may tell you. As a matter of fact, she may tell us. You know? So guys, what me really would like for everybody out there to do is don't just sit down and listen to what a man or a woman say. There is every single thing that you want to learn and know is on the internet. Everything is, the only thing you have to do is know how, know where, know how to really get them. And what you have to do is write what you want in a Google. Write what you want in a Google and Google will give it to you, and then you can do whatever you want with it. But guys, that's the way to go. You have to do it that way. Guys, this coming. It's coming together, man. Yes, guys, this coming together. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, guys, this just want a little bit more cooking. Just a little bit more. You know a shrimp, so it not take long for cook. Then let me check on the rice and see how this rice are going. Yes, guys, this rice need. You know, we as Jamaican, how we cook rice as Jamaican, we get a little bag, wash it off of the pipe. Yeah, make sure you wash it really good, and then we go over to the rice and put that bag over the rice. So that means the rice now start to steam. Yeah. So if when you cook your rice, you feel a few little hard things in it, you don't have to throw more water in the pot. Yeah, you don't have to throw more water. Just get a bag. If you're in any which part of there, get a bag. In Jamaica, we call it scandal bag. But just get a bag and just wash it off and put it over the rice and just left it, make it go and cook. Yeah, man. And turn on the rice too. Yeah, turn it down before it burn. Yes, guys. So, again, just simple think about it. You have people who just don't like you. And you have people who know that people know that they can call immigration or they can call ICE on you. A lot of people is doing it. So don't allow anybody to get that opportunity to call ICE on you. Get your information, go to the authority, VAWA. What it mean? It simply mean Violence Against Women Act. Use it. Use it. Do not act like you're better than using it. Use it. Support yourself. Look about yourself. Not because somebody help you to come in the United States, they should take advantage of you. Not because somebody help you to stay in the US, they should dictate and have your life in a jail or in a prison. No. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. This is finished, guys. Oh, boy. Man, guys. Check it out. Check it out. It's finished, guys. It's ready now. Finish. My. Guys, yes, guys. So this is it. Shrimp. Yeah, guys. That look good, don't it? What do you think? What do you think? It's just a simple cook. You know, just a simple cook. Nothing with some carrot, you know. Well cooked down and things. So this is finished now, guys. So I go turn it off. And then over here, you know, the old school style, me not use, you know. So that is the rice. See there? Rice, guys, rice done. Yeah, man, rice done, see? Yeah, rice shelly. Yes, guys. Food done cook. Yes, guys, food done. So right now I go share out some and have a small bite. You know, just for show no. Yeah, go make myself a plate. Yes, guys, so I'll go share this thing out there now. Nothing too much. Then I have some shrimp. Guys, me go have to use and then guys, I get some of the juice. Guys, look at that. Look at that. My goodness. My. Shrimp and rice. Me say it sure look good today. I wanna tell you, say, guys, make you try what I want. Me not give you no. Make you try the shrimp now, guys. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. No make nobody come in. Guys. Yeah, you still a look? But guys, this. Hold on. Let me eat some of the veg. The guys, some of the veg, let me eat some of it. My. It sure tastes good today. And let me, So guys, this is a simple cook. Just cut up your onions, your thyme, your scallion, all you want to put in it. Cut up all of that. And just saute the veg. Season your shrimp. Add your shrimp in with some butter. Make sure you use butter. And just cook your rice and about maybe an hour. Yeah, maybe an hour. You know, because you have to put everything together, then cook. So maybe an hour and you have something to eat, something nice. So guys, again, thank you very much for watching the videos. Thank you very much for talk with me and vibes with me. And remember, guys, remember, you're not alone. There are legal protection and resource available to help you stay, remember that word, stay in the US and protect yourself from abuse. So remember, you're not alone. Remember who said that? Rodney said that. I'm out.